Hey there everyone, and happy Monday. It is a interesting evening. We saw a lot of rain and showers earlier today, but we're starting to get some of those rain showers to move out, making for a cloudy evening. It's also been a warm day. We saw temperatures near 70 degrees in most spots, some areas even over 70 degrees. So it's warm and rainy today, but we're in for quite a temperature difference and different look in the skies coming in for the next 7 days. Let's go ahead and get right into it. As we're taking a look outside right now, you can see the foggy conditions. In case you are heading out and about anytime soon, just be cautious as we are seeing that foggy condition mainly just roll in along the bayway for this evening. Now, as we take a look at what's going on radar, you can see all those rain showers pushing across the southeast. Luckily, we're starting to see that back end of it as we get further along into this evening, and even seeing a break in the rain too. So as we zoom in closer, you can see very scattered in nature, these light showers, and also not seeing any lightning associated with that too. So just some light rain showers pushing on through, and could even see some breaks heading into this evening, because I do know that we have some parades starting up soon. We have one at 6:45 and another one at 7 o'clock. So just be cautious if you are heading out. You might need that rain gear still, but again, it's just going to be those rain showers may pick up in intensity at some points, but really should be letting off heading into by the time the parade starts. So right now, looking at our sweeping radar, you can see where some of that heavier rainfall is looking to be currently. So zooming in towards downtown, looks to be up more towards Pritchard, extending towards Saraland, and also seeing some near South DIP, extending down towards Theodore, towards Irvington, heading over to the eastern shore, seeing some extending from Fairhope to Loxley, but Spanish Fort and Daphne still looking mostly dry, but could see some of those showers continue to extend further that way as it moves more in a northeast fashion. Now we're going to go ahead and take a look at our Futurecast so you can see what those showers are going to look like heading into this evening. So starting at about 6 p.m. for this tonight, you can see very spotty, very spotty in nature. So by 8 p.m. you see those light rain showers. Again, it's going to be overcast conditions. The showers are going to be hit or miss. So you do want to make sure that you do have that rain jacket or that umbrella if you are heading out to any parades. But as we get further along into the evening, by 2 a.m., spotty showers moving through, but by the time we're waking up, heading out the door, or getting out the door for Fat Tuesday, 10 a.m., cloudy conditions, could possibly see a scattered sprinkle, just some light precipitation at this point. I really don't think so, but mainly for those eastern areas could see some of that. And as we make your way into your Tuesday, there you go, further into your Tuesday, by 3 p.m., mainly just seeing those cloudy conditions. So it's going to be a dry Fat Tuesday, but it will be cloudy, and may just see some slightly cooler temperatures heading into tomorrow as well. So for Tuesday at 8 p.m., going to see that cloud cover start to push out overnight into Wednesdays, where we're going to start to see some of that clearing. So again, it's going to be mostly dry for your Fat Tuesday, but will be that cloudy overcast conditions. For our daytime highs today, Mobile at 70 degrees, Brooklyn Field at 71, Pascagoula 72, Evergreen, Crestview, and Destin, the only ones seeing temperatures in the 60s. Normally Destin is warmer than a lot of our spots for this time of year, but Destin was cooler at 67 degrees, Pensacola at 74. Great temperatures for today. Right now we're cooling down into the mid-60s in most spots, so if you are heading out, you really won't need a big heavy coat or anything. Just that rain jacket should do you some good for tonight. Now, as for our winds, we're seeing southerly winds very calm at about 5 miles per hour, so not much going on with our winds. But for the parades tonight, here is your forecast if you are heading out. The Order of Mystic Magnolias in Fairhope, 65 degrees, 6:45 p.m. with those spotty showers still possible. And here in downtown Mobile, we're seeing the Infant Mystics and the Order of the Doves. That one's going to be on parade route F. So make sure you have that Fox 10 float tracker on your app, so that way you can see where the beginning of that parade is and also know what the route looks like for that parade. I know that since moving here, that has really been a lifesaver for whenever I want to catch where that parade is. Now, as for visibility, we are seeing it over the bay, but most other spots are looking good. Mobile right now at a visibility of 7 miles, Brooklyn at 9 miles, but then the rest heading more towards further east is going to be 10-mile visibility. So it is looking good. Just be cautious if you are heading across the bay. Over the next 24 hours, we're going to see our temperatures stay pretty steady in the 60s, but by the time we get into tomorrow evening, we're really going to start to see that drop continue, as we're going to see that cloud cover start to move out too. As for your Fat Tuesday forecast, looking to be cloudy, temperatures in the upper 60s by the time we get into the evening time hours. So it is looking up for a great Fat Tuesday forecast. And as we get further along into the next 7 days, we have that 20% rain chance for tomorrow morning. But check that out, sunshine heading into the rest of the weekend. And cloudy conditions return once we get towards Monday. But temperatures look great and lots of sunshine. Just make sure you pay attention to those lows in the lower 30s for some spots. So that's all I have for you for this evening. Have a great evening. Make sure you stay dry out there and have a great Fat Tuesday. We'll see you all here on Fox 10.